Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer money from Venmo to bank. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your Venmo app first. Now go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line on top left corner. Once you have done that, you're gonna find this menu options. From there, go ahead, tap on this option of payment methods. Now for you to simply transfer to your bank, you simply have to first add your bank as one of the payment method. Go ahead, tap on this bank option, provide your account details, confirm with your verification details as confirm by providing your verification as well. Then you will be able to add it. Then afterwards, go ahead, go back to home section, tap on three horizontal line again, and then tap on this option of manage. And then once you have done that, you will be able to choose the transfer money option. From there you can choose bank as well. Now go ahead, tap on the bank option. Once you've chosen the bank, now tap on this option of transfer balance. Then go ahead, enter the amount that you would like to transfer. Then you can see instant. If you transfer, it will simply charge you some amount, or if you simply want to transfer through bank or to bank, it will simply take 1 to 3 business days. All you gotta do is tap on this bank option again in the bottom right. Then afterwards, simply have to provide once you have done that, you simply have to confirm it again, review your details, and tap on send. And then you will be able to transfer your money, aka your balance, from Venmo to bank like that. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.